G'day, how's it going? So today we're heading out to do some more exploring in this crazy city of Bangkok. It's mid-morning, midway through the week, so we'll see what we can find. But our main goal usually is to find a coffee, cheap and good. So, oh, we got to rush here, we're going to catch the boat. Yep! Quick. We've made it to the Panfa Leelard Pier, which is the last stop in this direction. We're going to do a bit of exploring now and see what we can find. We've got a coffee shop in mind, so I won't start until we get there in case it's no good. As soon as you come out, all the football drivers will be here ready for you. We're going to cut down a few back alleys and see what we can find. It's interesting. So, first thing to do is grab a drink from 7-Eleven, just right outside, and got to get across this road up here, which is always interesting. See what I mean by the tuk-tuks, they're all waiting. It's a Thursday 11 AM, so I can't imagine them being very busy. Museum right there, if that's your thing. It's a hard hill. Nice quiet little neighbourhood. Nice quiet little neighbourhood. Huh. Look at that. Should we go down this way? Head down this way. See what's down here. It's like a little shop. The sounds, the sights, not the sights or sounds, the smells hit the every now and then. It's quite a little neighbourhood. Coming through here. find around here. Oh, no. Just a dead end. Looks like we've got the main road up here, so we aren't lost.
น้ำแข็งเหรอ
นี่มันมีอยู่
I'm hoping it's at the end here. Well, we didn't find the coffee shop that I was looking for, but we found another little alleyway to walk down. Sorry, cub. It's like a maze in here. Still with us? We're hitting the main road, so there's bound to be a coffee shop here somewhere. That roof over here is very shiny. I think we found a coffee shop. A couple of seats there so we can sit down. Not sure of the name. It's covered up, so if I can find the name for you, I'll stick it in the description below. But I can't imagine it'll be too expensive. Type of coffee we like. 50 baht maybe. Okay, so the two ice lattes were 80 baht each, so 160. Almost looks like someone's house, someone's lounge. About here, we're with the stop. Right, we'll carry on and see what else we can find.
No, because we only got beer.
City card. Focus friendly. here and have children, keep an eye on them because big deck there. They can just step straight into the canal.
Little baby bees. Tiny they are.
We found ourselves in another alleyway. There's always some food around if you're keen. These are all individual houses. And you can see this one here has been done up, and the one at the end looks like it's been done up as well. Just put a little coffee shop just here. Got some seats. Cool's it? Own little business. Okay. 40 baht for a nice coffee. That's my price. I love these footpaths. There's not a lot of room. Another little coffee shop. I think we'll be staying here. We had a look at prices and they're pretty expensive. Probably not compared to back home, but it does take us down towards the Chao Phraya River, so we'll have a wee look. Does look quite nice inside though, for I'm walking. There you go. It's called Petit Chalet. And you can walk along right through to the pier. We've just had a bit of lunch at a place called Babel and Grill, which is right on the riverfront and right next door to Petit Soleil, the cafe. So there's an alleyway just down there that leads to the main road. And you can come in here and have a bit of lunch, and it's quite reasonably priced. So onward and see what else we can find. We're walking along the waterfront here, but unfortunately they don't warn you, say that it's closed. So walking through this place, looks like they've got a rooftop pool there. See, oh yeah, we can get right through. Decided to jump on the boat to head back to Sathorn Pier. We managed to find a coffee shop and not a bad lunch. It's quite a nice lunch. And now we're back at the Sathorn Pier. We're going to get around the corner here to 7-Eleven, grab some water. But we'll call it a day here now. So yeah, we found a few interesting things. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.